Hello everybody, my full name is Elizabeth Salamanca Olaya. I am from Bogota. I am 37 years old and my email address is elisasalamanca@gmail.com and my scholar email is esalamancaall@unadvirtual.edu.co. I am a professional accountant, however, now I am starting for be a English teacher. I live in Bogota, in the south of the city. I live in a set of buildings next to the park, which is called San Carlos Forest, and in front of the San Carlos Hospital. The buildings are white and blue colors. The buildings are old, however, they are well conserved and clean every time. I live in the first floor, next to the main entrance. My flat is small. It has one bedroom, one bathroom, one living room, one kitchen and dining room in the same space. It has only 32 meters. However, it sounds small. It looks bigger because the division in the flat are well done. Now I want to talk about my personality, about my hobbies. I like dancing and learning different types of music. For example, salsa, bachata. I tried once tango too. So I like to try different types of music. I like cooking for my family and my friends. And I think I do it well. I like watching documentaries about history and I like watching uh, baby programs like maybe Peppa Pig. Okay, my favorite food is seafood. Also, I like traditional soup, Colombian soup like cuchucos or ajiaco. My favorite movie it's called Like Stars in the Air. It is an Indian movie and I like it because it shows me how great and special is be a teacher. My favorite book is El Resurgir de la Atlántida. I like it because it is romantic action book and it tells about archaeological places. I am generous, optimistic, and I always try to see the best part of everybody and everything. I am adaptable and humorous. I believe in the smile power. I am lazy. It is difficult for me keep a routine, and sometimes I am oversensitive. My routines. In weekdays, I usually wake up at 6 a.m. Then I change my pajama and wear my sport clothes because I do exercise per 1 hour. After that, I take a bath while my breakfast is cooking. I start working at 8 a.m. I check my job inbox in order to check if I have some requests to answer. And I also check my email box to check if I have some work to do. I have my lunch around 12 o'clock to 1 p.m. and my work day end at 5 p.m. After that, I start to check my homework, my university homework, or some course or something that I have to do in my for my pleasure. On Sunday, on the weekends, on Saturday, I wake up a little late in comparison with the weekdays. I start my day doing exercise, then I take a bath, I have my breakfast. After that, I leave my flat and I visit my mother. Sometimes we go out to the supermarket or I visit my grandmother. And on Sunday, I rest and do homework. A person who is significant in my life is my grandmother. I admire my grandmother. She is my mother's mother. She is 89 years old. Now she has gray, short, and curly hair. She is thin. She is independent although her age. She likes to do the things for herself. She is brave because she raised her daughters and sons alone. She is clever. She looks like a cute grandmother, but she is more than that. She has great ideas and clever mind, but she is stubborn and she is obsessive with the cleaning. And now I share some um, experience that made me feel happy. I feel happy when I share time with my friends. I remember my first day in the university when I studied for be account. I was in with my best friend. For melting the ice, the teacher practiced some games, and I was really happy with her. We enjoyed together that day. Was our first step to to achieve our goals together. So it was very nice day. And even that made me feel sad, nervous, or worried. I hate and got nervous when somebody is fighting. I am quiet person. I don't like argue with nobody. I remember my aunt's house. My uncle frequently disagreed with her and their daughters. I felt really bad there. I don't I don't be in is that you don't want to be in this home in this type, and because they have a hard temperament, so it's so hard for me. I don't like to be where are the discussion or argue. So thanks everybody. Bye.